I purchased this ramp over a year ago and it's been used so much that now it's a permanent fixture for us. We have the 7-foot ramp. As you can see, we have nailed it down to our deck and it's fairly flush with the wood, allowing for a smooth transition. The transition plate also sits nicely against the ground. We use this for wheelchairs, walkers, strollers, the kids bring their bikes up this, and the kids even run up and down the ramp. And this angle is working well for us. Now, when you walk on it, you might notice it wobbles, and at first that made me a little bit uneasy. However, I have learned that that's completely normal. Our ramp gets a lot of use and it functions just as described. There is an anti-slip grip on the back edges. This helped us in the beginning, but now this is a more permanent fixture and we have kids as well and elderly people using it, so we decided it was best to bolt it down to make it more secure. However, in the beginning we needed it for different locations, so it didn't make sense to bolt it down then. Another pro to this is that it doesn't rust, at least ours hasn't, and it's been outside in various weather conditions. I hope you found this video helpful as you explore the right ramp for your needs.